One of the worst military tragedies that Bangladesh has ever seen, and probably one of the worst military air accidents ever recorded in recent memory. A fighter aircraft, the F-7 of the Bangladesh Air Force, crashing into a school compound in Dhaka, the country's capital. Initial reports had suggested to us that the pilot had been killed, but it is clear from the images that we've seen on our screen and a confirmed statement we've just received from the Bangladesh government now that 19 people have died, including the pilots of the aircraft and at least 15 students in that school compound into which the aircraft actually crashed. Now, aircraft do crash. It is not uncommon. Military aviation is a risky business. The circumstances under which this particular aircraft crashed into the school are not known just yet, but whatever happened must have been an extreme situation, because not only did the pilot not eject or was not able to eject, but he was also not able to steer the aircraft away from a built-up area, which is one of the first instincts for any pilot. The scary thing is this particular aircraft, an F-7, which is a vintage aircraft, a license-built version of the MiG-21, is the mainstay of the Bangladesh Air Force. It's a Chinese-built fighter. Remember that Chinese-built fighters have had questions over their quality for many years, but going into that right now wouldn't be right, because these are the initial hours after a horrific accident in which a made-in-China fighter belonging to the Bangladesh Air Force has crashed right into a school.